Welcome back, guys. Today I want to talk about our 07 STI Limited that has our OTL 600 package on it. What this package is basically if you would bring us a stock car and said, I want a car that can reliably and repeatedly make 600 wheel, this is the package that we do here. It is an engine package, a turbo system package, a fuel system package, and a drivetrain package all in one. So basically a complete car from beginning to end. And I'll start from the front and kind of move to the back. On the front, what we have is just a basic piston and rod forged engine, which is good for right about the 600 mark. Now, if you were planning on going higher power in the future or anything different, then we would definitely maybe switch the engine up a little bit. But for this car, it's never gonna make more power than where it's at right now. So it's perfectly fine where it's at. We do upgraded head studs. And then as far as the internal engine portion of it goes, there's really nothing else. That's pretty much just it. Stock cylinder heads, no extra valve train components or anything like that are required for that power level. After that, basically we're just dealing with the bolt-ons then. So we've got the fuel system, which is made up of Injector Dynamics fuel injectors, our off-the-line front half fuel system package. It has a Radium double hanger in the back with two AEM 340 fuel pumps in it. We've completely redone all of the lines from the front to the back using -8 feed lines and -6 return. We have a Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator. This car does have a aftermarket ECU in it, but that's not necessarily required at this power level. Beyond that, we have our OTL coolant tank. We have the ETS G30 turbo system that's on the car, and then of course the beautiful titanium piping to kind of finish everything off. And then part of our engine dress-up package, we do have the OTL pulley cover. Clutch-wise, this car does have a competition twin disc clutch in it, stock transmission. The rear axles have been upgraded with drive shaft shop axles. Other than that, the drivetrain is pretty much all stock on the car, which that is the majority of the stuff that makes up our OTL 600 package. Mainly it's a full bolt-on package, a little bit stronger engine, but otherwise pretty much standard, which is very drivable. You can, daily drive the car, have fun with it and whatever. And at 600 wheel, these cars are really fast on the street. In addition to our 600 package, this car does have Aeroghost coilovers, M&H drag radials, and then other than that, it's really just OEM plus styling as far as the styling goes on the car. And guys, if you're interested in this 600 package, please make sure you check our website or reach out to us via email at sales@offthelineperformance.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, please make sure you comment and like the page for more.